Okay, welcome back again. And in this tutorial, basically, sizoba sifocus my tables. Sizoba sisebenzisa table tag today, guys. So yeah, in 10 minutes probably sizoba sesicacile. So basically, tutorial liyanamuhla itoba focus my tables on the browser. It's the same as any table, but this time sizoba siyanda the table. So today sizoba sifocus the table tags, sizoba senda tables and my inner tags, ama-nested tags lesitohlangana nawo njengoba sizoba sidila ne-table tag namuhla. Sizohlangana na tr, which is basically a row, which means a row, and then siphinde sibe na th, which is basically, or you can say t-head, still the same. It's a head. Uyayibona mawubhala i-table kuba nema-columns la kaba nema-head. So yeah, ngeke lesizoba sidela ngawo. Bese siphinde sibe na td. So td is basically the data inside that cell. Yabo kuleli bhokisi nyana. So for example singata ku-weight bese sifaka table. Ngifuna sende i-practical example guys inside. Ngicela ngisebenzise i-weight. Faka i-table nje sifake ama-column la random sit and so, right? So if sibuka le section le, yabona, basically kuyoba i-t-head yethu le la sisho khona ukuthi le column lena ifuna waphi ama-details, le column le ifuna waphi, le column la ifuna waphi. And at the same time le section le, I mean, it is still a row. Mawubuka le table yethu ina 3 ma-row, ina 1 2 3. So this one yekucala ivamise ukusetshenziswa for i-head, isho ukuthi okay lana sifuna ligama bese kulandzela amagama. And each cell it's basically the td la kungena khona i-data. So le cell le iyoba imela td la kungena khona i-data. So uma singata ku-sublime text, so it's still the same. Namuhla sizobe sidila ngama-tables. So if singata la sesifuna kwenda i-table yethu tuke-browser, because if sesedala nasitoshaya reload wanyalo mangise reload akwendeki load. So sifuna kuvele i-table kahle kahle la sifuna work i-table. So what we should do, kumele specify sicale nge-table tag. Siyasho ukuthi okay sifuna i-table, right? And then njengoba ngishito la example le ukuthi kulo t-head lo it's still a row but siyenda i-head, yabona. So siyabuya sita table tag yethu sithi thina sifuna kufaka i-row, right? T-row siyafaka i-t-row yethu, and if senda so sitshela le browser ukuthi okay sifuna yende i-row le one. So ngelo t-head lesimfakako, and lo t-head wethu udzinga i-data, but this time because senda i-heading, instead of td siyofaka th, which is t-head, right? Sesiyabuya i-table yethu, let's say sifuna ibe na 4 ma-columns. So ngila sito specify khona sisho ukuthi okay column yekucala sifuna kube nge-head, right? Kube nge-head. Siyabuya let's say sitosho ukuthi name la sisho ukuthi surname sibe long thina send bo last name nabo first name. Sithi name and surname. Bese mhlawumbe let's say sithi age and then gender. Okay, gender, right? Save abanyalo sithi kubuka ukuthi kuhamba njani. So basically before ngi-reload i-default font weight ye-head iba bold ukuze khona kuba nemehluko on the entire table. So mangithi reload sayibona nayi i-table yethu. Kwanyalo ide ama-border because angaspecify and angithandi ukuyenda this thing because angisengakafiki to CSS. So but for kwanyalo nje ukuthi ukuze sikhona ukubona kahle ukuthi border, let's say one, save, reload. So sayibona why ibe angifuni ibe nga-2 esho ngifuna, okay, it's fine, all right, low one. So as you can see, we have name, we have surname, we have age, and we have gender. So i-head yethu lena i-head each column yangithola, and then at the same time i-row. Therefore uma sesifuna kufaka i-data njengoba sina-4 ama-column, occupation low njengoba kunjalo, student vele sihlezi sithi copy and paste. And if you notice, ngipaste inside the table tag. You see, ngipaste inside the table tag because the data you don't want the table tag. But nyalo, because sengifaka i-data instead of .th sekumele ngisho ukuthi nyalo sengifuna kufaka i-data TD, right? So the TD is basically stands for table data, right? So why in this long? So nyalo ngifaka i-data and ito create i-row yayo lenye one because sisinalenye i-row, yabo, i-row yokuqala bese na i-row yokuqala, TR for T-row and for T-row first. So gender, I am a male. Okay, TT konke sekusharp. Age yami vele ngifuna yat. Okay, so if I can save, let's check what's going to be right. So kuba nema errors. Okay, yeah, all seems good. If I'm going to the refresher, font weight, as you can tell, is changing. That's because we are now dealing with data and creating a row in one. So a table basically see, and that's so the way browser, and then cause manning my interest little at all, the only thing that you do with the social net my data if you can get data in one spins as if I learn sister from sample, let's see, let's start with the future pay or material, and I let's say not trained this guy, and send the female just for control. Send the female. So if you want to vanilla nalena because it's still data refresh. So about, so in some other cases utofuna, for example, let's say i-data leyi-1 lo gift utofuna mhlambe let's say gift una 2 yetibongo, right? So utofuna athathe these 2 yema-rows gift, athathe 2 yema-rows bese kuba sibongo sakhe sokuqala, sibongo sakhe sesi-2. For example, let's say ufuna ibe unique i-table yakho, right? Unlike ibe njengalendlela lejwayelekile, ufuna ukustyla, ufuna ukukhipha skills zakho, ukhombise ukuthi HTML uyaya. So the trick to do this, right guys, njengoba bese ngishilo bese tukwe table sinema-rows, ma-rows ngilawo la horizontal, right? Ma-rows uma sikhuluma nga-rows so sikhuluma ngalento le horizontal, bese masikhuluma ngama-column so sikhuluma ngaloku vertical, right? Yeah, vertical. So uma sibuya tukwe coding yethu nyalo sifuna gift, lo gift lo athathe 2 wema-row, right guys, athathe space sa future pay kahle kahle So the trick to do this, guys, in what's in TD to specify what's ilona yethu sesifuna ithathe i-row span sesifuna ithathe 2 yema-rows, right? And masithatha 2 yema-rows lokho kusho ukuthi i-row yalo iyothatheka, sayikhipha kwanyalo, right? It's a refresh. But before ngifaka lo row span, awuthi ngente so, as you can notice nyalo sina 3 yema-data kule row yes2. So asiye ngo-refresh asibone difference yalokho. So basically feature bay nyalo uto disappear because ngimkhiphile le refresh feature bay akasekho and yonke lelona iphusheke itangala, and asifuni sinipusheke, sifuna i-age remain age, etc. That is where a row span comes in, since sifuna lo TD lo etekutovala la ukuze konke kubukeke kube right, kube neat. So we save and then sesiyabuya sithini refresh. So as you can see gift nyalo, so uthathe le 2 yema-row bese tibongo tibalana, basically bangifuna le tibongo tishintsheke. Let's say lo gift mfati yabona nje yebo bafati bayaba no2 tibongo, let's say inkosi nje, and then isibongo sokuqala yasho ukuthi wakaMathibela sesi2 wakangosi. So basically row span uchaza ukuthi ufuna ngakhi yema-row, ngitho. So if sifake lo 1, so uthatha i-row leyi-1 gift yabona, but the problem is lesibongo sibese siyasuka kwesibongo yabona, ibese ifuna kushifta ngala le data. So that is why it's always a best practice ukuthi do ama-situation la so ufake 2 yema excuse me yema-column ukuthi le data ithathe 2 yema-column, right? And at some point i-data yakho uyafuna ukuthi idle space sonke. For example, let's say lo muntu ude ma-entry kuyo yonke indzawo uyabona, NA. I know to situation leso angeke vele uyi-create at all le row yalo muntu, but there are situations la zingakala khona ukuthi ufuna wonke lama-column, and in this case nama-column layi-4, right? Sinama-column layi-4. So sidonsa wonke lama-column layi-4 bese sithi, for example, sithi end of what's happening? Sithi end of table, for example. So I know tinto leti so most of the time I send my tutorials ngato, we are not doing it perfect, but sifuna kunikhombisa i-syntax netindlela letiningi tokwenta into leyi-1. So nyalo ngi-expect ukuthi lo end of table abe athathe yonke i-column, but uyoba athatha i-column yes3 because simendele, I mean uyoba athatha i-row yes3 because simendele i-row yakhe. So if ngathi refresh end of table uthatha wonke lama-column, it's because specifyile ukuthi hey, since we have 4 wema-columns yabo, since we have 4 yema-columns sicela uwathathe wonke, and as you can see it's calls now, meaning columns. Instead la besithatha ama-row, la sesithatha ma-columns. So yeah, ngiloko, and there is a lot that you can do with tables. So another thing, there is in ama-border color, but angifuni kwenda ama-background color because angakafiki kube CSS nanani. But one thing that I can show, it's cell padding. So cell padding athi ngifake 7 tobona ngal difference then i-padding ngide indlela yokuyibekisa exactly, but if ngingeta la ngathi if ubuka leli gama leli home language, right? So i-padding ithathe as from le space lento senda nyalo, le border lento yenda nyalo. So i-padding, it's this distance from i-border yale content, yangithola. So basically if ngifaka i-padding mina kwenteka something like this to table yethu, yangithola, unlike something like this, because normally i-default evamise kuba yintwi, yabo, ivamise kuba yintwi, but thina uma sesifaka i-padding suke sesenda le space to border sibe sidudla, yabona. So if sitobuya njengisayivile la, yeah, if sitobuya sithi refresh, hey, ngibalekela, ngitobuya ngithi refresh, as you can see le size le siyivulekile, ayisakabanga dudane, yabona. And another thing, mhlambe ufuna ithebuli yakho ibe good looking, ibe ne-space nyana, yabona. And lokunye it's also cell padding, I mean cell spacing, yeah. Cell spacing, let's say we can just put 5. You can also see the space, but this time ayisabi say kuma cells, basically lamabhokisinyana lawo siwabita ama-cells, yeah, mabhokisi edate siwabita ama-cells. So if ngisa refresh so uyabona nyalo seyiba sidudla. So kukuwe ukuthi ufuna ibe njani table yakho, but to keep this video short, I don't think there's something else lengayisho. Nothing loko nje, ama-tricks a-table, and tukwema-website lamaningi lanza i-data tukwe-database lesitokwenta as time goes by, avamise kusebenzisa ama-table bese bafaka i-for loop ukuthi le-table leli-1 letiphindze over and over, yabona. So thank you guys for watching. If nama-questions somewhere la ningaka-understand ngakhona, I'm-free, yangithola. And kule description ngitofaka i-WhatsApp group, i-link ukhona kungena kuyo ubuta ama-questions, tinto letinjalo. And yeah, in next video it'll be surprise basically. This time it's in next video, it'll be surprised, but still siyoba busy HTML. I'm sorry, siyoba busy HTML. Njengoba nyalo busy ngama-tables. I think it will be a better move ukuthi siye kuma-forms so that you can see ukuthi nguphi la siyakhona. So thanks guys for watching, and without wasting any of your time, I will see you next time. Bye bye.